Hello, everyone. I'm Steve,
And I'm Scott.
and together we're Backyard Musings. I'm in Utah. I
And I
had to take a pause from looting and burning and rioting. It just overwhelmed me doing all the looting.
are
So,
you telling me that there's no none of that stuff going on up there? No,
well,
what
there,
is
there
it?
was the No
No
Kings
King's Day.
demonstration, and some dude got shot. That I didn't do the shooting or anything like that, but I just got
Was,
tired of looting.
was that in Salt Lake?
I had so much stuff in my garage from looting,
Was
so
that
we went
so,
on vacation.
was that in Salt Lake that happened?
Yeah, Salt Lake. Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of the.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Say again.
I was going to say that's kind of
Okay.
the.
Researchers have developed a lung targeted nanoparticle delivery system for genetic therapies. In a major step forward for respiratory medicine, scientists have developed a new way to deliver genetic therapies directly to the lungs. This innovative system could open the door to powerful new treatments for conditions like lung cancer and cystic fibrosis. The research was led by Gaurav Sahay at Oregon State University, the Beavers College of Pharmacy, in partnership with Oregon Health and Science University and the University of Helsinki. These findings were recently published in Nature Communications and the Journal of the American Chemical Society on April 29th, 2025. Would you like to know more?
So that's kind of a stretch, huh? Go from Oregon to Sweden, right? Helsinki's Sweden.
Yeah,
Yeah.
partnership.
What a connection. So, to create this new approach, scientists tested more than 150 materials before discovering a novel type nanoparticle. This tiny carrier is designed to safely and efficiently transport messenger RNA and gene editing tools directly to cells in the lungs. So this is kind of like what we talked about once before, right? With
Yeah.
yeah, in lab tests with mice, we like the mice. The treatment slowed the growth of lung tumors and or improved lung function that has been impaired by cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder caused by a single faulty gene.
Hmm.
Okay.
Researchers also developed a chemical strategy to build a broad library of lung targeting lipids used in the nanocarriers. These materials form the foundation of the new drug delivery system and could be customized to reach different organs in the body, Sahay said. The quote, the streamlined synthesis method makes it easier to design future therapies for a wide range of diseases, he said. These results demonstrate the power of targeted delivery for genetic medicines. We were able to both activate the immune system to fight cancer and restore function in a genetic lung disease without harmful side effects. That's awesome.
That is really cool. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so just heads up here, these names are going to be destroyed. So that's just the way it is. Oregon State's K.U. Vlasova, D.K. Sahel, Namhara, Namara, Turukkaver, Vitala Murti, and that's all one name, I think. Milan Watam and Anthony Josic were co-authors of the Nature Communications paper, which also included scientists from OHSU and the University of Helsinki, OSU's Murthy, Jonas Renner, Milan Gutam, Emily Bodie and Anthony Josic teamed with Sahay on this other study. Okay.
Okay, so here's a quote. Our long term goal is to create safer, more effective treatments by delivering the right genetic tools to the right place, said Sahay. This is a major step in that direction. So, this does not affect, if you have cancer from smoking all your life, this won't help it. This is for genetic, like cystic fibrosis. It's got that gene that's missing. So,
Now,
any other kind of.
is it just going to be for? I mean, this is a treatment, right? I mean, they might be able to treat other things, but it's going to all be genetic, like you said. It's not going to be created by your actions or your habits.
Right,
So,
very narrow. very narrow.
So I know some people that suffer from, I believe it's pronounced fibromyalgia. Have you ever heard of that? It's
Yeah,
like
Chersty's got it. Yep.
okay,
For
so it
joint
affects
ache.
like your joints and yeah, it's very painful, right?
Yeah,
No
last
cure.
night her legs, both legs were hurting. She wanted me to kind of like rub her legs, and it
Yeah,
kind of
and
helps.
I wonder if
Being in a
this would
hot
be.
tub helps.
It does help.
Yeah.
I was going to say, I wonder if something like this might be able to help that, but I don't know, because right now there's no cure for that. Well, I don't think there's a cure for cystic fibrosis either, right?
Well, this one is targeting it.
No, I know, but I mean, up
Yeah.
until this point, there's nothing going on. So this is cool stuff. Yeah, this is good stuff. So whoever those people are that I just butchered their names, hats off to them.
And it's very narrow. Maybe we can find some. Maybe someone gets passionate about fibromyalgia and targets that to try and eradicate that. That would be awesome.
Yeah. Yep. So good
All right,
story.
folks. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Yep. Take care, everyone. Thanks.
Did you see?